What is happening, everybody? Here once again, another protein review coming at you. Just finished a workout. I got to replenish here. I've had a few requests lately for some CBum Itholate protein, and I haven't had this flavor requested, but this one jumped out at me because I like different. This is frosted Frenchie instead of animal cookies. I don't really get it. I'm sure it's some kind of an inside thing, but it looks like frosted animal cookies or animal crackers. I don't know what they're called. Crackers, I thought they were, but maybe they're cookies. And this one is, I believe it's an isolate or an itholate, because that's what it says, but the macros don't really support that. It's pretty high on, it's got 130 calories, 25 grams of protein, 3 grams of carbs, doesn't look like there's any sugar in it, and 2.5 grams of fat. Usually isolates are a little bit leaner than that, but certainly within the realm of acceptable. And we're going to check this out, see if this flavor is good and unique and all the rest of it. So let's get it cracked open and we'll see what we look like here. I like the smell. It smells really neutral. It smells kind of like animal crackers. What did I expect? I don't know. Cookies or crackers? I'm not sure about that one. I think they're crackers, animal crackers. They call them cookies. Frenchie frosted cookies. All right, 1 scoop. This is CBum, obviously, Chris Bumstead. I'm not a big bodybuilder scene guy, but he's a Mr. Olympia type guy and has a lisp, which is why we go with the Itholate, I think, is what they do there. So anyway, all good. 1 scoop going in the bottle. Shaker. Quick shake. Really quick. Uh-oh. Water's getting everywhere. And let's see how well we mix. Still smells pretty good. Turned a little bit pink. Not sure why. Maybe because it's pink on the label. Imagine that. Yeah, still smells nice. Still smells like animal crackers. I am excited about this one just based on the smell. Here we go on a taste. This is Bum Raw Itholate Protein Frosted Frenchie Animal Cookies. Here we go. So I thought it mixed really well, but I did get some floaties when I consumed it. And I know I don't shake it very long, but I try a lot of proteins and the good ones mix that quickly. That's just the reality of it. That's why I only shake it that long. But I like the flavor. This one's nice. I don't get a chemical taste. I don't get an aftertaste. And I get a animal cookie flavor. I don't get a whole ton of sweetness, but an animal, I gotta call it cracker, I don't know, it calls it cookie, but an animal cracker to me doesn't have a whole lot of sweetness. Maybe a frosted one does, but I've never tried a frosted one. So good work on the flavor. Recommend it. Tastes like what I thought it should taste like. Smells good, don't get a lot of chemical taste, and mixes okay. I'm gonna give this guy a high 8s out of 10 on taste. And mixability or solubility, it would be, I don't know, 7 out of 10 or so. Not that that totally matters, but check it out if you're into this kind of brand. It's Bum Itholate Protein Frosted Frenchie Animal Cookies. And I'll catch you next time.